In this guide, I'm going to show you how to hide Snapchat friends. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to tap on your profile icon up in the top left once you're on Snapchat. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down on here and you're looking for My Friends. Go ahead and open that up. If you tap on a friend's profile, what you're going to want to do then is tap the three dots up in the top right and select Manage Friendship. As soon as you select that, you'll see Edit Name, Report Block, Remove Friend. There's not a direct hide friend button, but the good news is that Snapchat Friends is already completely private. Other people cannot see who your friends are, who you message, or who you send snaps to. So if you're worried about someone using your phone, just go to Snapchat and log out of your account. You could also make a separate Snapchat account if you want to keep different friend groups separate, but that is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.